Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for the week of December the 15th to the 21st. We are 1 week from Christmas. Oh my gosh. Curbside is very easy. You're basically ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. It's that easy. You can use little discount codes and it's just a little bit easier for some than going to the store and shopping around. We have extra percentage off using the code GIFT15 for 15% off of a $40 purchase, or the code GIFT20 for 20% off of a $60 purchase. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in store getting register rewards, looking at what you're buying, I recommend that you watch yesterday's video. I'll pin it at the very end. That free photo, the coupon code for it is no longer working, just to let you guys know. And another thing, if you did the Shea Moisture shampoo deal, IBOTTA generated two $2 rebates. It's only on certain scents. I think a lot of the clearance ones are not working with. But if you want to just go and do the deal again, I think it shakes it out to $1.50 per shampoo, which is really cheap for this brand. If you could do me a huge favor, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It would make my Christmas if you could just take a second and like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so we are dealing with deal number 0. For this one, we are going to grab 2 of these CERAVE travel size foaming cleansers, and they are $6.29 each. And do you see what I see? We have an 8 off of 2 digital coupon right now that is attaching. So you're going to load this friend. And I recommend just load it because we can use it right now, and it's a really fantastic coupon, even with the bars of soap. And then we're going to grab one of these Merci Fine Selected Assorted Chocolates at 33% off for $5.35. And we have a 2 off of 1 digital coupon that is in fact attaching. I'm not sure if some rebate app is also giving back a couple of bucks for this chocolate. You might check. But I think IBOTTA and Fetch are not. And then to round out to the basket where we can use a little bit of Walgreens cash, I'm going to go with a couple of these stocking stuffer Ghirardellis. So the overall total here, $2 coming off, WAG10 taking another $1.13 off, and $8 coming off for the CeraVe. Our fine total here is a $21.32, WAG10 taking $1.13 off, free curbside pickup tax, $10 melting off right there. So the total is $10.92. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you possibly have it, pay 92 cents, and call this a very smart basket. Deal number 1. This has to be done curbside only. It is to get the OLAY, it's like a Christmas gift set for $7.49. And then the Old Spice for $7.49, these 2. If you're having issues where you can't load any sort of thing to your baskets and it's just a big hot apple fail mess, you have to update the app. With the old app now, you can't do anything with that. You have to update the app to the latest version that everybody hates, and then everything should be loading for you. Just to note that. We're going to load the following digital coupons for both gift sets, a $2 for the Old Spice, and then we have a $2 for the OLAY. Unfortunately, that $4 register reward when you buy 2 is not printing in store. A lot of people are reporting, so sorry about that, guys. So just to show you everything here, you can also use the discount code of WAG10 to get an extra $1.10 off. I think most of you were doing this as a curbside anyhow to get the WAG10 off, like who wouldn't? The overall total for this magic is $14.98. After everything coming off and my tax, it's $10.71. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and get $4 back. I call this a very nice basket. It's just, a little bit of everything and a little bit of magic. Now, yesterday I was kind of grousing around about the Old Spice gift sets and how my IBOTTA rebate, it was a 10 back when you buy 2. It wasn't there. Some of you were saying you were buying it and it was still there. I looked again last night. Mine vanished. So I would double, triple check that specific IBOTTA rebate. It might still be there for you, but for me, vanished. Okay, guys, now we're looking at deal number 2. For this one, we are grabbing 6 bags of the Lay's chips. If you choose to get like a different flavor, like whatever they might have, by all means, like barbecue, you don't have to go for the plain ones, but that's just what I threw into the basket. It's on a promotion of buy one, get one free. Plus, we have this guy, which is a 4 off of 5 purchase. Alternatively, if you used this last week, I believe Checkout 51 has the same rebate. We're also going to grab one of these toilet papers to get the math to balance. So anything cheap, I know there's a lot of Christmas candy that's 33% off if you want to go that avenue, but I just always grab a toilet paper. I don't know, old habit. So just to show you guys the $4 Pepsi Frito-Lay coupon coming off, along with a big 8 cents with the code WAG10. The overall basket here is $14.56. 8 cents coming off with WAG 10. There's really no food tax. They charged us 4 cents. I think it's for that toilet paper. $4 manufacturer coming off for the chips. The total here is $10.52. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it and pay the 52 cents and call this a very good deal. Some very inexpensive chips, for entertaining for Christmas. The next deal that we're going to look at is deal number 3. So for this one, we're going to be grabbing at least $20 of Schick products. If you want to flip it around, by all means, go for it. I'm going to go for these $14.99 refills. The promotion for this is to spend $20, get back $10. But the word spend is in there as well, so it's a little bit tricky. We're also going to grab this razor head for $9.99, and both of these products have $4 off digital coupon, so that's why I went with that little goofy thing. Grabbing 2 products at $9.99, you're 2 cents short from hitting your $20 mark, and here's our 2 $4 digitals that we need to load for this deal. So the overall total for this, guys, is $24.98, $1.70 melting off with the code WAG10. We're still at that $20 threshold of spend $20 to get back $10. Free curbside pickup, tax, $8 melting off. So with your debit card or credit card, you're going to pay $16.68, and you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. As this is a spend offer, you cannot use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, deal number 4. This is one that might interest many of you. Perhaps a little Merry Christmas to you. We have the larger OLAY Super Serum. It's a really nice lotion. Except for that dabber at the top, it is a perfect product. I hate that dabber thing. We have a $12 digital coming off of one, and it's $29.99, so that's the magic to the deal. To get the math to balance out, we're also going to throw in one of these Walgreens toilet papers for $5. And then load the best friend, which is the $1.50 off of one. If you use this in the previous week, just go back into the household folder and it should populate at the top. Just to show you that $1.50 melting off, the $12 Olay. And then I use the code WAG10 for an additional $2.15 off. Okay, so here we have it, guys. $34.99, $3.65 off, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and our $12 digital melting off for the total of $21.22. I personally would use $20 in Walgreens cash if you have it. Pay $1.22 and call this a super basket. That is it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.